Hello! Yo, this is awesome! Yo, Nepal rocks. It's so cool. I'm flying.
To this temple. Apparently, let's say Hindu temple there. I'm doing good. Yeah. From Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Nice country.
You know Jamaica?
Jamaica, yeah, very famous.
Oh, cool.
First time here.
Yeah, first time here.
How long you been?
I just came yesterday.
Must welcome to Nepal.
Yep, thanks. Walking by and I hear Chronics playing on like, and then I see a Jamaican flag and I'm like, what is happening? So this is like, he said he opened it a couple months ago. So it's like, is it a bar or just a restaurant?
It's a bar.
It's a bar and restaurant. It's like reggae theme and everything. I mean, like,
We have Jamaican food.
yeah, Jamaican. Wait, what about Jamaican food?
We have jerk chicken.
Okay, so I guess I know where I'm eating dinner tonight. But this is like, I mean, I'm amazed. Like, hearing reggae music in Nepal, seeing the Jamaican flag, like, yo, that's just awesome. That bus ride was crazy. I mean, like literally, there, I can remember at least 5 or 6 times, like, my head would have pretty much hit the ceiling of the bus. It's like I literally bounced maybe at least 30 centimeters off the seat. Because I was in the back seat and it was like crazy. We wanted to actually go kayaking, but it's kind of too late, they say, and you can't do it without a driver, which is kind of stupid. Yeah, they were saying like it's too late to get the other boats, but then thankfully they were kayaks, so we're out here. That we actually got to the victory. We have like 30 minutes to go. I think the best part of traveling is the people that you meet along the way. So I was hanging out with this girl Tessa. Like, we met at the bus stop. It's like really cool. Like, you meet people along the way and then you just, you know, you just kind of go with their plan or you just kind of figure it out together. And that for me has been like really fun. It's like very different from how I traveled before, where it's like I had a steady plan and all that stuff, but now it's like I'm just going with the flow, going with other people's plan, which is really fun. So I think it's important, you know, like a balance. Like you can plan, but don't plan too much that there's no room for things like these. See anything, but yeah, getting ready to go. Should be an interesting adventure. I mean, I'm excited about it. I mean, driving up, the views are like really amazing of the city, because like there's this really big lake and all the houses and stuff. It's like it's really beautiful. So I'm like super looking forward to it. See the guys are setting up and should be flying out soon. Wrapped up, almost ready to go. Look at the equipment, like the strings on the chute. It is like super thin. I'm like, how does that even support so much weight? Because I guess they're gonna be like maybe 100, maybe 200 kgs or something. And you look at the thin strings, so yeah, it's safe. People have done it, so yeah.
Hello! This is awesome! The Nepal rock. So cool.
running and then all of a sudden just floating in the air. Nepal is such a beautiful country, and then just like this lake and the landscape is like, it's just amazing, and looking down at the houses and stuff, it's like, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. It's like, I don't think it could look any better than this. Okay, going down now. That was awesome. Like the last ride, there was like these really big swings. It was like so cool. The view was just amazing. I think that was the best part. And like with open skies, like really good service. I mean, I really enjoyed it. I'll definitely do this again. It's like, yo, it was great. It was really great. My thirst for adventure is still not satisfied. So I have two thoughts. Well, two things I want to do. First, I want to go hiking. So there's like the place where we drove to do paragliding. The views from there are just awesome, and I want to go there. And I haven't gone jogging in a while, so I want to do that as well. So I'm thinking about like a 25-kilometer round around the lake. So I'm not sure if I can do both of them, but I'm gonna try. I actually want to go out there, but yo, this view is awesome. Like running along the lake, it's just like so beautiful, and there are like so many people just sitting 4 kilometers down, and to do 16 more. I don't even know what the elevation is like up there, but let me see what I can do. After doing paragliding yesterday, it's like I wanted more thrill. It's like, yo, I should have really signed up for bungee jumping. I read about it somewhere, but then I forgot about it, like, But yeah, the time here was really awesome. I kind of wish I had spent more time here, or even more time in Nepal in general, because I really enjoyed it here. It's like the nature here, and well, food of course, and the different adventures that you can do here is like really cool, and of course it's like super cheap. So now time to get going with this bus, like for the next 7 hours. Hopefully it won't be as bumpy. I'm not sitting exactly at the back, I'm like one step forward, so yeah, hopefully that won't be so bad. It's time to go back to Germany. I know that the depression is gonna kick in very soon. It's been so awesome being in Asia. I mean, I enjoyed like every single day, every single country, and I wish I could stay longer, but sadly it's time to go back to the real life.